Hi, I'm Dr. Jeffrey Hall at Hall Plastic Surgery and Rejuvenation Center. I want to talk to you a little bit today about tummy tucks, what's involved with the procedure and the recovery. Definitely, we deal with women with all different types of issues, but a very common situation is after childbearing. And these are usually young women, healthy, no other medical problems, really happy with the way they look and feel, but except that stomach area. They can't get that better with all the dieting and exercise in the world. So the tummy tuck is really our best solution to deal with that. It's something that is very straightforward kind of procedure with excellent results. And if we compare it to all the procedures that we do in plastic surgery, it ranks very high, if not the highest, in patient satisfaction because they have such a dramatic improvement. So I think it's important to understand the process in our practice of how we would go about doing evaluation, let's say for instance for a tummy tuck. It'd be a process where you would come in for a consultation in the office, you would meet with me personally, and I would discuss with you what your expectations and goals are with surgery. Then I would review with you the surgical procedure itself, the recovery, the risk, and at that time we would also discuss what the cost of the procedure would be. We'd also spend some time going through consents if you do schedule surgery, but the whole process in our office takes about an hour, more or less, and after you've had a chance to understand that information, consider your options, and if you decide to go with surgery, then we can typically get it scheduled in our office within a few weeks. Tummy tucks are a common procedure that we do quite often. It's typically done as an outpatient procedure without any significant issues in risk, and patients typically recover at about 2 weeks, at which point in time they progress back to their normal activities, and most of our patients at a month are doing those things. So when we talk about a tummy tuck kind of procedure, I think what we want to understand is that we're going to individualize the procedure to your anatomy. So for instance, we're not going to have somebody come in and have a tummy tuck that's always going to be just like everybody else. So we're going to tailor the procedure, and that can vary from a mini tummy tuck in which we take a limited amount of skin, or a standard tummy tuck which is a lot more skin excision. Well, I think it's important that when you have a desire to go through something like this that could be life-changing as well as cause anxiety, that you are treated in such a way that your questions are answered. It's a very personalized experience. I mean, that's what our focus is here at Hall Plastic Surgery, is that we want to make sure that you're an individual. We're not going to treat you like everybody else, and we want to make sure that it's an open door, that if you have questions, you're free to talk to us. So we want to make it a pleasurable experience from the start to the finish. So we think it's just as important in the beginning to talk to you and understand your expectations or your goals, but also after surgery to spend the time with you to make your recovery process as nice as possible. Again, I'm Dr. Hall. I want to thank you again for listening to the information about tummy tucks, and hopefully this has been helpful.